Hello, I am John Johnson for the Bullen Companies. Did you know it is National Cleaning Week? It is running from Sunday, March 27th to Saturday, April 2nd, 2023. National Cleaning Week is an annual event started 4 years ago by the ISSA. NCW, or National Cleaning Week, is a reminder of the importance of cleanliness in our daily lives. With better cleaning, we can create a healthier, happier environment. Each day of NCW we are going to feature from the Bullen brands and our list of remarkable products a single item that will help you and your customers find easier ways to clean. Today that product is Perfect O2. Perfect O2 is a multi-purpose cleaner with oxygenated peroxide, fortified with high-performance solvents and surfactants. This unique blend of oxygen-boosted surfactants and cleaners means it will safely clean and degrease the toughest soils. Unlike other peroxide cleaners, it has a neutral pH, so it does not leave a streaking residue behind. A great product for this week and many weeks to come that helps create a healthier, happier environment.